So I'm wedding ready. Face be by me. We are ready to see Jasmine and Javon. Lashes loading, new sample. This makeup look good. This pimple, if it's not gone by the end of this week, I swear to God, because it's like my skin, how my skin's still glowing, but this one pimple is really not trying to let me be great. But I just parked up at my sister's house. I'm about to get my hair done. I'm about to install a 13x4 frontal. I will tell you guys the specs and all that good stuff shortly. This video is going to be chopped up because I dropped the wig off to her a few days ago so that she could customize it and stuff like that, bleach the knots and all that good stuff. And today she's going to install it because tomorrow's the wedding. So yeah, let's go. And I didn't bring my tripod, so let's see how well I get this. I can't see, but we're gonna move by faith, y'all. I know I look a damn fool in this camera right now. Sis gave me a mouth hole. I've never seen that. Nah, sis gave me a mouth hole. I was like, what the hell is she doing? Phenomenal, yes, I know. Capping. It's this pimple. Oh, so chopped. It's killing me. Let's see. In my ear. Giving scalp. If I had an extra bundle, I would have put it in there. I'm about to be cute. Fire. Y'all bitches is jealous. See, when I be tagging her in these videos, y'all don't be trying to take heed to what I'm saying and book her. She be tagged down below. She'll be tagged down below. And where's your shop located?
It's on Farmers Boulevard in Queens.
Okay. Like I said, I got eczema. That should be nice. Okay, I was just about to say, talk about promo. So, bitch, did you sleep last night? No, I sat straight up. I sat straight up, as a matter of fact. Damn, I forgot how long this was.
22 inches.
You don't have to cut it, or you can swoop it. Let's go. Pictures. I'm gonna put a little bit more tint on it. It's coming up good. It's gonna be cute. On the side. So I try not to touch the lace. I usually just go. It would be better if I wasn't named it though. If I curled it before, but it's just until you get home anyway. You'll have a different look when you what's the name it when you curl it up. Yeah, it's just on the scalp. Oh yeah, that's definitely scalp. And spritz. There you go. All right now. Oh yeah. Yes, ma'am. See how hoes never. Cause y'all know I don't wear frontal, so I gotta do the. Excuse me. What? Well, let's just say body bag. I'll take your hoe and put her in a lamb. Body bag. My breakfast sandwich, but I'm still probably hungover from yesterday's. It's because this shit's so damn silky now. Yeah, hoes can never. Oh, yeah. 501. It's giving scalp. She did her thing, whatever. So silly. We'll be back. We'll be back shortly. Okay, so long story short, my sister bodied my hair, and if you're not booking, what the fuck are you doing? But yeah, this is just the beginning. You know, trial and error. She can use my head for whatever she need to use it for. Cause yeah, okay? You can just see the growth every time I get my hair done. But yeah, so I'm on my way home. My hair is a body. This video should be edited and posted. Yesterday's vlog should be edited and posted right after that. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I wanted to talk about how I felt about the hair though, because the hair is super soft, as you guys are gonna see in the clips. It definitely is buttery, but I believe this wig is 150 density. That's the only thing. But my sister said that she doesn't think that it's like skimp. She thinks it looks natural, it's cute. So I said whatever, because you know me, I love full hair, but that's all right. I just gotta go home and just curl these baby hairs with my little flat iron that I got in my house, and then that's it. Because that's the only thing I couldn't do because I didn't bring it. I didn't know she didn't have hers. But outside of that, my hair is cute. I like it. We all gonna look nice at that wedding tomorrow.
I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need.
This pimple needs to be going by tonight. Like, I'm not even playing. I just don't have the time for it. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.